Roller barrier is increasingly the non-aggressive anti-climb barrier of choice, as it features no harmful spikes which could cause injury, making it ideal for use in a multitude of locations and environments to create an unstable surface to deter climbers and keep people safe. The installed roller barrier consists of independently rotating roller cups threaded onto a central shaft to form an unstable and ungrippable barrier. The shaft and cup assembly is designed to fix onto walls, fences, gates and other structures via special mounting brackets, which are available from stock in a range of standard types or can be bespoke manufactured to order to meet special requirements. As the cups rotate freely in either direction, the barrier is a practical, non-aggressive aid for keeping persons within or out of designated areas. In this video, we look at the various single, double and triple row mounting brackets available from stock and show how they can be used. The double and triple row options facilitate extra rows of cups that may be helpful where higher security is needed, or where additional barrier height is required when the barrier is installed at lower levels. Mounting brackets feature at least 2 fixing slots for versatility and ease of installation, and a robust galvanised weather protection finish. They can also be powder coated to any rail colour to suit your aesthetics. The universal bracket is our most popular and versatile bracket. It's available in standard and extended versions, each of which is also available with a double row option. It can be face fixed onto a wall or fascia to sit neatly with the cups protruding over the leading edge, or it can be top fixed onto a wall with the cups facing outwards or inwards to prevent a handhold. The extended universal bracket has a longer arm and is designed to overcome obstacles such as rain guttering or coping stones that may impede the rotation of the cups. The cranked bracket is available in single and double row types, and is so called as the arm containing the rows of roller cups protrudes out from the fixing point at a 45-degree angle. Suitable for fixing to fences, fascias and walls, it not only gives installation height, it also gives it depth, making it more difficult to climb up and reach over. The straight twist bracket is an upright bracket, similar to the crank bracket, and is available in a single or double row format. Its arm faces straight upwards, adding height to the installation rather than depth. The fascia bracket, sometimes referred to as the fence top bracket, is a slim 90-degree angle bracket that sits neatly along the top of walls, gates and fences. Due to the low positioning of the central shaft, it gives very little space under the roller cups to be able to gain any purchase if attempting to climb over. An extended fascia bracket is also available in both single and double row versions. The alley bracket does exactly what it says on the tin, consisting of a bracket, a bolt and a shear nut. It's used in alleyways where you have 2 walls directly opposite each other. This option enables you to free hang the roller barrier from one wall to the other where you do not have any other structures to fix to. Available in double or single row versions, the straight bracket is a side fixing bracket that can be fitted to fences, gates or cages, where fixing to the face of the area is not an option. Both cranked and straight twist brackets can be used on suitable mesh fencing with the aid of a bracing plate. The bracing plates are available in 2 and 3 slot versions to suit the brackets. They sit on one side of the fence with the bracket on the other, forming a mesh sandwich, and when bolted together through the mesh, deliver a robust bracket fixing. This bracket is our most aesthetically pleasing bracket, which creates a double row of roller cups at a 55-degree angle, giving the installation not only height, but some sloping depth as well. Typically used on walls, gates and fences, it adds a touch of elegance to your roller barrier installation. One of our newly designed and more aesthetically pleasing brackets is the lateral bracket, which is a double row bracket that has side-by-side horizontal rows of roller cups. It is ideal for installation on lower areas that need to be made unstable while keeping the area safe. When installed, it not only makes the top surface impossible to climb on, but the low nature of the bracket leaves very little area underneath to gain any climbing purchase. The Tri-Guard bracket is our only stock triple row roller barrier bracket. It's designed to support a top row of roller cups above 2 lower rows in a pyramid format when viewed from the end of the run. It's ideal for use on lower surfaces to prevent climbing up to dangerous areas, and is often a favoured choice for use in psychiatric settings. All stock brackets are manufactured from mild steel and are galvanised to provide weather protection. As an option, brackets can be bespoke manufactured in stainless steel, offering a brighter, shinier finish than a galvanised unit. For more information on roller barrier and our other anti-climb solutions, check out our website or call our friendly team. with new content added every 2 weeks. If you love our videos, leave us a comment, hit the like button and subscribe to the Insight channel.